Hello friends, in my this video I am going to discuss how to draw f in MATLAB, which is taken from one Cody question of MathWorks. Okay, so see the problem statement: draw a x by x matrix f using ones and zeros. X is odd and bigger than 4. Okay, so basically see here, you can see for x equal to 5 this kind of pattern has to be printed. If you consider only the ones, it is looking like f. Like similarly for x equal to 7 also, that is first row, first column and the middle row, one should be there. For all other elements it has to be printed 0. Okay, so how we can write a code? Very simple. See here, function y equal to your function name x end is written already in already in this part. So basically we have to return one matrix, right? So create one empty matrix. This is the first step. Then see, this is obviously it is going to be a square matrix, so whose number of rows and columns are 7 only. Okay, so 7 cross 7 matrix if input is 7. So what we can do, we can use one for loop for rows which will go from I equal to 1 to x, and one for loop for columns which is going from j equal to 1 to x. Now if it is going to be first row or first column, obviously element is going to be 1. So write that condition: if I equal to 1 or j equal to 1, y of I comma j equal to 1. Okay, else if. Now see, again where 1 is coming, the middle row, okay, it is coming as 1. Now here comes the idea, just try to understand. See, suppose consider input is 7. Now if the input is 7, the middle row is 4, and how you can achieve 4? See, very simple. 7 by 2 is what? 7 by 2 is 3.5. So the integer which is just greater than 3.5 is what? 4. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to divide the input number by 2, and we have to map that fraction or that number, that double or that float number, to its nearest highest integer. Like that, for x equal to 5, if you consider here the row in which the middle row is basically 3. So how you can achieve? See, 5 by 2 is 2.5, and 2.5 if it is mapped to nearest highest integer, that is 3 only. So to map nearest highest integer, what we should use? Yes, correct. If you know, well and good, that is the ceil operation. If you don't know, please go through the link given in the description. I have already discussed about ceil operator in my previous videos. If you want, you can check that link. Okay, so basically here what we can write: else if row number equal to ceil of our input divided by 2, in that case also y of I comma j equal to 1. Else for all other case, as we have seen, y of I comma j equal to 0. Okay, in this if else, in this internal for, in this external for. That's all. Now let us submit and check whether our code is working or not, passing all the test cases or not. Yeah, see here, green tick, that means it passed all the test cases. Here some test cases are there, and it is showing the status, like here for x equal to 5 it is passed, x equal to 7 it is passed, x equal to 11 it is passed, and so on. Okay, so I hope you have understood the algorithm. If you understand the algorithm, you can implement the same program in your favorable language, whether that may be MATLAB or C or C++ or Python, whatever. Just index position may differ. Like in MATLAB, matrix index start from 1 1, but in Java matrix index starts from 0 0. Okay, that is 0 based, and here it is not a 0 based programming language in matrix, because array index or matrix index start from 1 1, or array index starts from 1. Okay, in MATLAB. I hope you have understood this. The same program I am going to post in the description of my this video. If you want, you can check there. Thank you for watching.